Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're coming on here with a hair video. So today I use this new wig. It's supposed to come pre-plucked, okay, and pre-cut. It's supposed to be able to take it out the box and put it on your head, and that's the wig I'm wearing right now. So I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what happened. You got to stay tuned for the video. This is a glueless unit, okay? This thing, look at that, glueless. All right, this is a glueless unit. I'm sure you guys are going to be very interested in this one. The fact that this is glueless, like, what? I can't believe it. Let me make sure I show y'all the glueless test again, because y'all gonna think it's some camera tricks, and it's not, y'all. Like, it's no camera trick. We're gonna see if this is a wig that you can just put on, you know, kind of brush it up a little bit, and go. As I've gotten older, I really prefer less maintenance on my hair. Like, I cannot do a whole lot of stuff to my hair every day. I like to braid my hair up, moisturize it every day, you know, do my wigs to keep my hair growing and healthy. So I'm always on the hunt for something that's quick, something that's easy, something you could just pop on and go. And we're gonna see if this wig is just that. So a few specs about this hair. This beautiful wig is from klaiyihair. It's a 24-inch Brazilian body wave unit, and it does come with HD lace. I really appreciate the craftsmanship on the wig. I really like the cap. I'm going to show that to you guys later on in the video. And the texture is really nice on this hair. Really nice, shiny, soft. When I took it out the box, I was like, okay, klaiyihair, like, so I've been talking long enough. Let's get right into the install. So, like I told you guys, the wig we're using today is from klaiyihair. When you get your wig, it will come in this box, okay? I really like that the wigs come in these little baggies as well as the box. So you can use the little baggie to store your wigs when you're done wearing them. So this is the box that it comes in. They do give you a little edge elastic. So this is our unit. It is Brazilian hair. It is 24 inches, okay? So this is klaiyihair's new pre-cut. It's their new pre-cut and pre-plucked unit, okay? So you're supposed to be able to wear this unit out the box. So this is how it looks as soon as I take it out, okay? And I do notice that the knots aren't bleached. And y'all know how I feel about knots. It is this really beautiful, ooh, this texture is gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? Really, really pretty hair. Oh my God, it's such a pretty curl. I did already take out the combs because I don't like combs, all right? And it does come with a built-in elastic. And it also has this trimming around it, and I'm guessing that's so the wig stays firm down on your head so it doesn't scoot or move around, because this is a glueless unit. And it does come pre-plucked and pre-cut. Let's get right into it. Let's put on this wig. I'm gonna come up just a little bit so you guys can see the details a little bit more. One thing I noticed that this doesn't come with my little adjustable straps in the back, so I'm curious as to how this is gonna fit. But I am gonna I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the elastic band first. And then we're gonna put on the unit. Oh my God, y'all. Wait a minute, wait. I have the wig on. I do think you need to bleach your knots. We're never gonna get away from it not bleaching those knots. You definitely wanna bleach your knots, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can hide them so it can still look natural. The wig actually fits super good on my head, and I'm surprised that it fits this good. It just feels really nice and snug. I really like this type of cap because I do have a super low hairline. I am gonna go in and cut just a little bit, but so far so good, you guys. Like, I'm really shocked that it comes out the box looking that good. So I am gonna take my scissors and just cut the lace. I mean, they did a great job, but because my forehead is so minuscule, I'm gonna have to go in and trim it down just a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's looking after I cut that lace. And I really like this cap. It's like the cap kind of like suctions onto your head. So we're gonna take our wax stick and just put a little bit up there just to help everything lay out nice and flat. And now I'm gonna take my EAP Heat hot comb and we're just gonna press this out. And I'm using my hot comb because I want everything to be nice and like super flat. Y'all see how flat that just got? Oh my God. The next thing we're gonna do is some baby hair. I want some baby hair, y'all. I thought I wouldn't want any on this unit just because it looks so like natural. I'm gonna use my Fantasia liquid spritz, and I'm just gonna put some up here. Just wanna brush it down. Y'all know I like to get my baby hair going in the direction I want it to go before actually cutting it. And now I'm just gonna cut. Our baby hairs are now cut. What I'm gonna use now is some mousse just to sculpt our baby hair, and then we're gonna use our little elastic to put on there. Now we're gonna take some mousse and we're just gonna put it on the edges. We're gonna begin sculpting the baby hair. But you want to make sure you get a nice amount of that mousse on there because this is going to help train the hairs and help everything lay super flat so you can still wear it glueless. So I did go ahead and put on my little elastic over my edges. And what we're going to do now is just take our blow dryer and dry it. And then I'm going to let it sit on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna let this dry down for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we're gonna be right back. So it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Okay, so you just wanna take your little edge brush and we're just gonna break up that cast, the crunchy cast from the mousse. So the cast is broken up and the baby hairs are completely flexible, as you guys can see. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and finish up our look. We're gonna be using the EBN Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray. It looks just like that. And I'm just gonna spray some of this in the lace. So instantly hides those knots. I absolutely love that spray when I'm, you know, I can't necessarily bleach my knots, or I'm wearing something that, like if it's a synthetic unit that I can't bleach the knots, that spray works so good, you guys. And now I'm just reshaping my baby hairs a little bit. We are done doing the baby hair, and it's completely glueless, you guys. See? Completely glueless. I do consider this a unit you can put on out of the box and go. You do have to do a little tweaking if you want baby hair. But if you don't want baby hair, you can definitely just put this on and go. And I'm trying not to like detangle it too much because I don't want to pull out all of these beautiful body wave curls. I actually really love the unit, y'all. It's so cute and it's perfect for the girls who don't know how to pluck, who don't know how to bleach their knots, who don't know how to cut their lace. Like, it's perfect. Now I did have to go in and cut mine a little bit more because y'all know I got that itty bitty forehead. I hardly got any space, so I do have to go back in and cut mine. But if you have more forehead space, you'll be good to go. Exactly, straight out of the box. The cap just feels so nice and secure. It feels really light on my head. It doesn't feel like my wig is gonna go anywhere. I absolutely love this one, you guys, and it's a great density. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It's like right in the middle, perfect. I love this length. This is a 24, and it hits me in a really good area. You guys know I don't really wear my hair too short, so this is a really good in between length for me. I just love it so much. It looks so good. I'm surprised it looks this good without having to bleach those knots. Klaiyihair snapped with this unit. If you guys are interested in this unit, all the details and everything will be in the description bar below. All the products I use will also be down there. Try it out, y'all. Like, so cute. And I love that I didn't have to glue this. Like, it feels so free. So this is perfect if it's like super hot, super humid, and you don't want to like glue your wig. This the one. Real cute, real affordable, real easy. So I believe that's it, you guys. If you're interested in this wig, all the details will be in the description bar below. Make sure whatever you want to know, you go down there. Everything will be down there for you. Let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this unit. So all right, y'all, thanks again for watching another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.